She's an actress. She makes erotic films. Isn't she gorgeous? Alice, this film director is very well known. Liberated. Running off? Oh dear, what a positively reactionary education you must have had. Running off, Alice? Where are you going? Ooh, do be careful, there's a big hole. Oh, you've fallen in it, Alice. You're falling. Fly, Alice, fly. It's lovely. It's lovely. The wind's stroking you, playing with your hair. Ooh, careful. You're getting near the ground. Your hands. Go on, Alice. Make love to him. With the dog. The dog is the furthest shore. Love with a beast. The beast lurking inside. We've all got a beast inside of us, Alice. Especially women. Go on, Alice. Don't hesitate. Be quiet, Piglet. It's the dog fucking, not you. You can fuck the monkey. Oh, Alice! Yes! Oh, Alice, what are you doing with that stick? As long as you give me self-sticking panty liners, allowing me complete freedom and confidence. Yes. Anti-cellulite cream, light control girdle, the famous cross your heart uplift bra, odorless hair removal cream, 24-hour deodorant, slimming pills, contraceptive pills, shoes like gloves to tip your ass forward and destroy your ovaries, false eyelashes, nail varnish, scarlet lipstick, rouge, eyeshadow, violet for the eyelids, plasters for your corns, 2 dabs of perfume, Chanel, flannel, Revlon, Avon. Revlon, come on! There you are, madame. You're finished. You're young, free, beautiful, modern, adored, desirable, antiseptic, desexed, sterilized.